The Google Pixel 10 Pro is here, and it's pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology once again. With an upgraded Tensor G5 chipset, a stunning 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display, an AI-enhanced triple camera setup, and long-term software support, this phone is designed to deliver a seamless, intelligent, and premium user experience. Is the Pixel 10 Pro the ultimate smartphone for AI-powered photography, performance, and longevity? Let's dive into all the details. Google has always prioritized a clean and minimalist design, and the Pixel 10 Pro follows this tradition while bringing some notable refinements. The device features a polished aluminum frame with a premium matte glass back, giving it a sophisticated look with an ultra-smooth finish. The signature Pixel camera bar remains, but with a sleeker, more flush integration, ensuring a seamless and comfortable grip. The Pixel 10 Pro will be available in 3 stunning colors: Obsidian Black, the sleek and stealthy matte black finish; Porcelain White, the clean, elegant look with a subtle sheen; Sky Blue, a refreshing and vibrant pastel blue shade. Additionally, the phone is IP68 rated, making it dustproof and water-resistant, ensuring durability in various conditions. The Pixel 10 Pro features a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display, delivering a crisp 1440p resolution and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. This ensures buttery smooth animations and an immersive viewing experience, whether you're scrolling through content, gaming, or streaming movies. With HDR10 Plus and peak brightness levels exceeding 2500 nits, the display offers exceptional clarity, deep blacks, and vibrant colors, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor viewing. Google's AI-driven color calibration enhances display accuracy, ensuring that images and videos look exactly as intended. The always-on display supports customizable widgets, live notifications, and an improved at-a-glance feature, offering more intuitive and glanceable information. Powering the Pixel 10 Pro is Google's latest Tensor G5 chipset, built using TSMC's advanced 3nm process. This chipset is designed to significantly improve AI performance, efficiency, and computational power, enhancing both daily tasks and creative workflows. Google's on-device AI optimizations bring faster app launches, more efficient multitasking, and improved battery management, making the Pixel 10 Pro one of the smartest smartphones on the market. For gaming, the Pixel 10 Pro features a custom GPU with ray tracing support, offering smoother frame rates and enhanced graphics performance for high-end mobile games. The advanced vapor chamber cooling system ensures the device remains cool and efficient under heavy workloads. The Pixel series has always been a leader in smartphone photography, and the Pixel 10 Pro takes it to the next level with an upgraded triple camera system, 50MP main sensor capturing sharp, detailed images with improved low-light performance, 48MP periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 30x super residential zoom, delivering incredible zoom capabilities while maintaining clarity and detail. 48MP ultra-wide lens offering a wider field of view, perfect for landscape shots and creative compositions. Google's computational photography continues to be the best in the industry, enhancing features like night sight and astrophotography mode, capturing stunning low-light shots with exceptional clarity. Magic Editor and Magic Eraser, AI-powered tools for seamlessly editing and removing unwanted objects. Best Take and AI Portrait Mode, ensuring everyone looks their best in group photos. ProRAW and 4K Cinematic Mode, giving creators more control over their photography and videography. The selfie camera has also been upgraded to a 16MP sensor, supporting face unlock, AI-enhanced selfies, and ultra-wide video calls. The Pixel 10 Pro is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage even under heavy loads. Google's adaptive battery technology learns user habits and optimizes power consumption, extending battery life for essential tasks. The phone supports 30W wired charging and 23W wireless charging, and with battery share, you can wirelessly charge accessories like the Pixel Buds or other Qi-compatible devices. Running Android 15 out of the box, the Pixel 10 Pro brings a cleaner, faster, and more AI-driven software experience. Some standout features include AI Smart Reply and Voice Assist, revolutionizing how users interact with messages and voice commands. Circle to Search, allowing users to quickly search anything on their screen with a simple gesture. Enhanced Call Screening, reducing spam calls with real-time AI filtering. Pixel Personal AI, offering on-device summarization, smart organization, and contextual suggestions. Google has also promised 7 years of major Android updates and security patches, making the Pixel 10 Pro one of the longest supported smartphones in the industry. With an AI-optimized Tensor G5 chipset, a premium LTPO OLED display, a best-in-class camera system, and 7 years of updates, the Pixel 10 Pro stands out as one of the most future-proof and intelligent smartphones in 2025. For users who want a seamless software experience, top-tier camera capabilities, and next-gen AI features, the Pixel 10 Pro is a clear winner. What are your thoughts on the Google Pixel 10 Pro? Are you excited about Google's AI-driven innovations? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for the latest smartphone leaks, reviews, and comparisons. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next one.